Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my topic is how to open MS Word. There are three methods to open MS Word. First method is click on Start button and then drag the scroll bar and then click on Word. So MS Word will be opened. The second method is click on search option and type here MS Word and then press the enter key. So MS Word will be opened. So this was the second method, and third method is by pressing the window key and R keyword together. I repeat, window key and R keyword together from the keyboard, and run window will be opened. So write here WinWord, WINWORD, and then click on OK. So MS Word will be opened. So these were the three methods to open MS Word. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.